Hey everybody, this is Matt here today with the Gerber Grylls multi-tool. Comes in a package, as you can see. Get this out. Start the view. There is some features on it that I like that make it different from any other multi-tool out there that I know of. So I'll just show you the multi-tool. Here's the pliers, and you got wire cutters and then the pliers, and it has a spring so it won't get caught up. So that's pretty nice. Next, what I like about this is that it has the tools on the outside of the pliers, so you don't have to fold this open to get all your tools. Next, you have a safety system or locking system where you have to push in and then push it up to get to your tools, to open your tools up. So I'm going to show you the tools now. First, on the right side, you have a knife, just a standard knife, nothing really special. Next, you have a flathead screwdriver that you can also use to pry something open. My bad. I said pry. Next, you have a Phillips screwdriver. The weird thing about that is that it's flat. Never saw anything like that. Anyways, next you have a saw blade. So if you want to cut something small, like some small twigs, to get some kindling, start your fire. Then we're going to go over this side. You have the serrated edge knife. Then you have bottle opener. A little flathead screwdriver. And lastly, you got scissors. Now these scissors aren't the greatest, but they will do. The nice thing about them is that they fold up and makes room for more space. So I'll get these folded back down. That is the Gerber Grylls multi-tool. Thank you for watching.